Hello, hello. No, it's not COVID. I just choked on something. So, happy YouTubing. And today we got a 2020 Honda Civic. And what we're going to do is play around with the dome lights. This is typical of Honda. I mean, I don't know how to get any easier than this, but look, you see? Got both of them out. I'm going to show you how to put them back. This is all Hondas. Let's do this back again. There you go. See? Take this puppy, jam them right in between the crack. Right in the crack. There you go. I'll put the link of what these puppies are. I could probably just do it right now, but these are typical, what the hell are these? 997s or some shit? I mean, poop stuff-ish. What is this? What is this? What is this? W5W? That sound right? There you go. Put it back. And while we have them out, I'll put that back later. Come on. There you go. Well, I have my handy dandy tool. Let's do the one above your head. Right between the crack again. You see how it sort of separates? There you go. There you go. Come on. Oh, popped right in the head. Is that the same bulb? That most definitely is the same bulb. There you go. Same bulb. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.